Lehsun ki chutney for lehsun, which is known as garlic. What I've done is I have peeled the garlic and I've used actually 2 bulbs of garlic. These are around 26 cloves. And here I have used red chili, which I have soaked overnight. And what I will be doing is, if I use say 26 cloves of garlic, I'll just use 13 red chilies. It's up to you how much you want to use. All the measurements will always appear on the screen. For the ingredients here, will be using some salt as per taste, and I have used here around a teaspoon of salt. I will also be using ghee for this recipe, and let's start making this recipe. This food processor, I will add in all my garlic cloves, and I will add in about 13 of these red chilies. And remember, never use the water from the red chili, because the water can make the recipe very bitter. So avoid using the water that you've soaked the red chili in when you're blending it. You can use fresh water instead of this water. So I'll just add 13 of these red chilies. After adding the red chilies, I'll just add half a cup of water, or rather I've just added right now 1/4 cup. And I will also add in the salt at this time. Let's make a nice paste of this. Now you can add water as much as you like, if you want it thin or thick. So I just want to add in total 1/2 cup. Let's blend it well. It's up to you how thick or thin you want your Lehsun ki chutney. Just remove this and show you how it's made. You can see this is the perfect consistency. Now I will cook this on the stove. I will be cooking this chutney now. I have just warmed my frying pan. To the frying pan, I will just add in approximately 4 tablespoons of ghee. Now the ghee has melted. I'll just add in my garlic and red chili paste to complete making this Lehsun ki chutney. You can taste the chutney for salt as well, and you can add salt as per your taste. Now if you want, you can decrease the quantity of ghee in this recipe. It's all up to you how you want to make this. And I'm going to cook this for a few minutes till it's done. I will be adding in about a teaspoon of vinegar if you want to increase the shelf life of your chutney. And this chutney can be enjoyed with your khichdi, your roti, puris, chapati. I've made many recipes of rice on my channel. I will leave the link for all those recipes in the description box below. Please go ahead and check it out. I've made this khichdi today so that we can have a Lehsun ki chutney and khichdi as a combination. My flame right now is medium. Now if you want to add cumin seeds as a tempering, you could do that as well, but I don't do that. I like my Lehsun ki chutney, which is garlic red chili chutney, very simple with very few ingredients. Now, I want to cook this till the ghee appears on the surface of this chutney. That's when I know that the chutney is ready. This Lehsun ki chutney is ready since all the ghee is floating over the surface. I can see my garlic and the red chili being cooked well. At this point of time, I'll just turn the stove off and I will let this Lehsun ki chutney cool down before transferring it to an airtight container. This Lehsun ki chutney is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video showcasing many different types of chutneys. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos. And thank you for watching. Enjoy!